4-inch hollow band secured to the 4-inch condo rail. That part is hammered over the holder. So these are square elbows with turning bands, considered fittings. The duct sections, which you see, that is going out the field nested like this. We call that nested when they put a bunch of pieces together like that. Just like, even though this looks like it's assembled, it's not. Typically you would see it all be like one big L stacked, but it looks like whoever was doing this.
Do they like put them together without putting them together?